to act now. Sound the alarm, everybody! Come on, go dancing in the back. That's it.
Hey.
Do it now. Rivers swelling, fire spreading, smog offending, species ending, heat ascending, crops suspending, ice caps ending, doom impending. We wanna treat the planet right, before it's night. We'll knock this over for future generations, right. Come get me, baby, when I get younger. I just want y'all to fight, baby. We can do it for life. No more asking why. I've got some information you should know. Glaciers melting and ice now flows. You know the planet's hotter and hotter. Give me some water, don't shut it down. Sound the alarm! Everybody! Get those hands up, come on! Sound the alarm!
Camila,
Get a word now! Rain cessation, no hydration, crop stagnation, food starvation, shore devastation, deforestation. Climate instability, food insecurity, price volatility, drought probability. Climate instability, food insecurity, price volatility, drought probability. There's something that's bugging me. Biodiversity. You know the planet's hotter and hotter, sweaty and hotter, time's running out. Sound the alarm! Everybody! Sound the alarm! Rivers swelling, fire spreading, smog offending, species ending, heat ascending, crops suspending, ice cap ending, doom impending. Sound the alarm!